Hello friends, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn 10 animals' name. This is a lion. Can you say lion?
Lion.
This is a tiger. Can you say tiger?
Tiger.
Amazing. This is an elephant. Can you say elephant?
Elephant.
This is a monkey. Can you say monkey?
Monkey.
This is a giraffe. Can you say giraffe?
Giraffe.
Very good. This is a zebra. Can you say zebra?
Zebra.
This is a bear. Can you say bear?
Bear.
This is a rabbit. Can you say rabbit?
Rabbit.
This is a dog. Can you say dog?
Dog.
This is a cat. Can you say cat?
Cat.
Amazing. So, we have learned 10 different animals today. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you in the next video. And don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to Mom and Me Fun Factory.
bye bye.
Bye bye, play friends.